The Quran, build a relationship with it. Wallahi, read it every day. Pick it up in the morning, first thing after Fajr, before Fajr, right in the morning, first thing, or in the evening before you recline to bed. Pick it up, open it, read one verse, and then go to bed. One verse, just one a day. Read the meaning, read the verse, close it, go to bed. It will change your life. The Quran has two things, many things I want to mention too. Number one is it's magnetic. You started with one verse, you're going to end up doing 2, 3, 5, 10. Before you know it, you're doing 2 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages, 20 pages a day. The Quran is magnetic. Why? Because it's the word of Allah, and Allah tells you, whoever comes towards me 1 foot, I will come towards them much more than that. Whoever comes to me walking, I will come to him rushing. It's a hadith. So when you make a small effort with the Quran will make, in fact, Allah will bless you through that Quran by a much bigger effort that you can now make. And you achieve so much more. It's easier. That's Allah. The Quran is magnetizing. Number two, the owner of time is Allah. When you've made time for the owner of time, even if you don't have time, time is made.